Hi all, it's KVKG and it's me KVKG Nitya, and in this video we are going to see about what are the essential food we need to take for glowing skin. So the first food what I'm going to tell you is orange. So orange, it's really very good for vitamin C and it contains citric acid too. So it acts as a good cleanser and it really improves the skin and supports our immune system too. So you can use orange peel powder. You can mix it with 2 or 3 drops of rose water and really it acts as a good treatment for pimples and acne treatment. And second food what I'm going to say, it's carrot is really a good source of vitamin A, and everyone knows that carrot is really important for eyes. Than that, it also has a beta carotene. It is one of the richest source what we need. So you can have carrot juice daily morning on an empty stomach, so that is really very beneficial. And another food what I can suggest you is beetroot. Yeah, beetroot, it really rejuvenates and purifies the blood, so it is considered one of the main essential food you need to take for the skin to be for the glowing skin. And next one, grapes. So grapes, if you take it out, it really prevents the dryness of your skin, so it also purifies the blood, and also it get rid of wrinkles. So, and the next food we can take, it's tomatoes. So tomatoes is easily available and it is really rich in vitamin A. So you can protect your skin from the sun damage with the help of the tomatoes, and also it's easily available in the market. And next thing is watermelon really it cools our body, so they are also an excellent cleanser and really it is rich in water content. And then next one is cucumber, and cucumber it's easily available. It really cools our body. It works as an anti-agent and it cools brightens our skin. And you can apply the cucumber for our natural face pack also. The next one is lemon, that is easily available and it really protects our heart, controls blood pressure, and it's very really excellent for our skin and hair. So it also acts as a bleaching for our skin. And the next thing is apple relieves say constipation and it reduces the cholesterol, remove toxins. Apple pulp also can be used as a face pack. And banana really good in vitamin, minerals, fiber, and say carbohydrates. And banana is rich in potassium, so you can apply banana also for face pack, and that also helps for glowing of skin. And you can add some few drops of olive oil or honey to the banana pulp and you just mix it and you apply as a face pack. And papaya, that is also really rich, and it gives relief in the case of constipation also, and it overcomes the cancer. Papaya acts as a good cleanser, so it also delays the aging of the skin. And next one is gooseberry. It is good and rich in vitamin C, so if you are having any disease it really resists us. And it also have a good medicinal value properties, and it is excellent for hair growth and skin also, so it rejuvenates our body. And garlic, it is a powerful antiseptic, so it helps preventing the delaying the aging, and it reduces the BP also, and it reduces the bad cholesterol and good for blood and heart. So it also have some medicinal values, not some more medicinal values. And you can take dry fruits and nuts on the daily basis. So really dates are really rich, and almonds, it contains vitamin E, and figs are really very nutritious. Dried apricots, so you can take these dried fruits and nuts on a regular basis, so that your skin will be glowing automatically if you consume these type of food varieties. And thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, kindly subscribe, share. Thank you.